children, this is Jyotia. I am here to teach you English on behalf of Jayatri Academy, class 3rd, chapter 2, common and proper noun. Children, today we will read the English grammar, chapter 2, common noun and proper noun. Children, in previous video I told you that what is common and proper noun. And today we will discuss about the rules of plural noun. Okay, how to make nouns in plural. Let's start. You can make plural form of noun by adding s or adding es. Okay, adding s to the word. For example, girl, when we add s in the girl, becomes girls. It is the plural of girls. Okay, another example is roads. When we make the plural of road, we write roads. Okay, we add s in the meaning of road, it becomes plural. We also make another plural like books, toys, balls, bats, etc. Children, when we add s after the spelling, it becomes plural. Okay, next rule is adding es to noun ending in s, double s, ch, sh, ox and z. Children, when the noun ending with s, double s, ch, sh, ox or z, then to make plural we add es. Okay, for example, class, it is ended with double s, so we add es to make plural. Okay, class, classes. And next example is bench, it is ended with ch, then we make plural of bench, we add es after the spelling. Okay, benches, 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 bench, and the plural is benches. Bush, bushes, bus, buses, glass, glasses, zero. Okay, it is ended with o, so when we make plural of this word, it becomes zeros, we add es after the o, zeros. Okay, fox, foxes, it is ended with x, so when we make plural of this word, we add es. Okay, fox, foxes. Next rule is changing y to ies for words ending in y. Children, when the spelling ended by and then we make plural adding by ies. For example, baby, the spelling of baby ended with y, to make plural we add ies by replacing y. Okay, the plural of baby is babies, bab, we replace by ies, so spelling is babies, plural of baby. Okay, baby, babies. And another example, story, stories. Children, some exceptions to this rule are toy, toys, boy, boys, tray, trays, etc. These are the exception of this rule because these all are ended by y. But when we make plural of these words, we don't add ies by replacing by. Okay. So the plural of toys, boy, boys, tray and trays, etc. Changing f and fe to ves for words ending in f and fe. Children's, when any example end with f and fe, to make plural we use ves. Okay, after replacing f or fe. For example, wolf, wolfies, knife, knives. Okay, some exceptions to this rule are hoof, hoofs, drop, drops. This rule also have exceptions like hoof. The spelling of hoof ended by f, but when we make the plural of this word, we don't use ves by replacing f. We use s. Okay, so this is the exception of this rule. Hoof, hoofs, drop, drops. This is the rule of how to make plural of meanings ending by f or fe. Okay, these are the rule of to make plural of the noun, and learn these rules. And tomorrow we will solve the exercise related to the plurals of noun. Okay, this is all about today. Thank you.